Hey guys, Dave Newton here, just coming to you with a short little tip about the Blackmagic ATEM Design Mini Pro. I've managed to get one of these. I've been super lucky to get hold of one. You can see it here, all set up, and there's something in the setup that I came across that caused me to scratch my head for a little bit. I was trying to figure out what was going on. I couldn't get everything to work. I couldn't get everything to connect. Eventually I figured it out. It's not in the instruction manual, and I thought I would put a little tip up about it. Now, I did do this the other day, but someone told me that the screenshots weren't very good. They couldn't exactly see what I was doing. So I thought I'd redo it, give you a little bit more information, and hopefully make it so that you can see the screenshots. So, quite simply, when you plug in your Blackmagic ATEM Design Mini Pro, as you can see here, there's a whole bundle of cables, and I've got this one here, which is the USB, and this is going out to the drive here, which is my SanDisk drive. I've also got this Ethernet cable, so I'm connected by Ethernet because that allows me to use the direct streaming capabilities of the ATEM Mini Pro. That's one of the key differentiators between the ATEM Mini Pro and the ATEM Mini. It has its own built-in stream encoder, and essentially the challenge you face is that if you plug this in, that means you're probably not plugged in on Ethernet in your Mac. That means you're using Wi-Fi, and you need to tell the computer that it is going to allow the Ethernet port on your Mac to share some of the Wi-Fi. So what we need to do, if we come over here, and we need to go into the system preferences. So there's your system preferences, and I'm going to make this a little bit bigger for you. And firstly, checking your network settings here. So we can see that in networks, this is my USB adapter. Obviously, it's a USB-C adapter, and I need to make sure that that's connected. Obviously, that means the Ethernet's connected, and that's what allows this ATEM software control over on the right-hand side to actually see the Mini Pro. Then, if we come back out of here, we have to go into sharing, and from sharing, we need to go to internet sharing. And you need to find in the list the Ethernet port that you're using, or in this case, the Ethernet adapter that I'm using. Tick it, make sure that internet sharing here is turned on. Assuming that internet sharing is turned on, you will then be able to get access directly from this ATEM software control here, which is where we can choose all sorts of bits of information, specifically the output stuff here. This is where this live stream is coming from. It's not coming through anything like Ecamm Live or anything like that. And yeah, as I say, if you don't make that setting, then this is not going to work. It will keep saying on air, but it will be flashing. It will not actually connect up. So there you go. That's your quick tip. Hopefully that helps some of you. Hopefully it solves a problem or two that some of you may be having. As I say, it took me a while to figure it out. It's not in the instruction manual. I only found it with a lot of Googling and some very happy accidents of stumbling through a video where it wasn't even mentioned as a key thing. It was just a throwaway comment where they said, oh, I'd set up internet sharing, and passed over it like it was the most obvious thing in the world, which it might be to some of you. But if you've never done this before, then you may find that you may find that this is not obvious. Obviously, if you've not done it before, all sorts of things are not going to be obvious to you. So there we go. Anyway, hope it helps. If you like it, hit the like button, hit the share button, throw me some comments down below. I'll do my best to answer them. I'm based on a Mac system, so I don't really know too much about the Windows system. It's been a long time since I designed and built and programmed Windows PCs. So yeah, that's probably not something I can help you too much with. But if you're struggling, maybe I'd suggest having a look for some kind of internet sharing option. And maybe that'll solve your problem. Anyway, there we go. Catch you later, guys. Stay safe, stay home, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.